Hey YouTube, we're under the hood of my 2012. I'm looking at the 6.7 here. Focus of this video is going to be the MAP sensor located on the intake manifold on the driver's side. It's had the tendency to gather a lot of soot on them, and when they're dirty like that, it won't be able to send a proper signal to the truck's computer. Therefore, your air to fuel mix ratio is going to be off, and as a result, that is going to impact your fuel mileage. So in my case, I'm going to clean this one. I'm actually going to replace it rather. I cleaned it in the past. I think it's time to replace it, so I will show you guys the before and after. Alright, so we got the new sensor to the right here. As you can see, it's the old guy here. A little soot. Again, I did clean this in the past. I was actually filming this video and ended up dropping on the ground, so that's actually the real reason why I'm replacing it. I really don't want to take any risks just in case anything's compromised on the inside of it. So another thing to point out is the part number for this. It's actually interchangeable these days with the updated version here. I'll include the link where I purchased this down in the description box below. Okay, that's replaced now. All it takes is a T15 Torx to get that in. Just be very careful. There's a little O-ring on there that it likes to grab, and you know, not much room in there for your hands, so just be careful, take your time. And I ended up throwing some dielectric grease on the connection there, just to help anything down the road from corroding and whatnot. So simple as that. Very easy install, replacement. Again, you could clean them. Here's the old one. Like I said, I dropped mine during the first take of this video, so I just wanted to replace it to be safe. Do keep an eye out that when you're looking to purchase a new one of these, for whatever reason, there are Chinese knockoffs of these, a lot of them out there, and they will advertise this picture, the one made in Germany. Just be careful. I would only buy from a certified Cummins dealer, or I got mine at Fagino's, popular website. Mine was actually, it was directly from Cummins through Gino's garage. It was actually made in the USA. So again, I'll include the link to where I purchased it in the box below, and any questions, let me know.